love, Source for International.
Hello students, welcome to the Source for Learning session on the topic of water for the science for grade 6 students. So as you know, Source is one of the leading names help students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. So let us start our class. So today we are going to learn about chapter 5, that is water. In this video you are going to learn water resources, different water resources, surface water and the uses of water. As you know, water is substance composed of chemical elements, that is hydrogen, oxygen and existing in gaseous, liquid and solid state. It is one of the most plentiful and essential compounds, a tasteless and odorless liquid at room temperature. It has the important ability to dissolve many other substances. So water is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, odorless and nearly colorless chemical substance, which is the main constituent of Earth's hydrosphere and the fluids of all known living organisms. It is vital for all known forms of life, even though it provides no calorie or organic nutrients. So this is from your book, but the first one is introduction part. Water is an important natural resources. It is difficult to imagine life without water. Almost all life activities are carried out with the help of water. These activities will be disrupted in the absence of water. So water resources, surface water and underground water. First come to the surface water. The water present on the surface of the earth is called surface water. Depending upon the purity, surface water divided into three types. First one is rainwater, then river and lake water, then sea and ocean water. Let us start rainwater. Rainwater is considered to be the purest form of natural water. It gets collected in pond, lake, river and seas. The fast shower of rain brings down dust particles, smoke, chemicals and dissolved gases present in the atmosphere. However, subsequent showers are free from all these impurities. Every effort should be made to store and use rainwater as much as possible. Then come to river and lake water. Water in rivers and lakes come from rain and melting of snow or ice on mountains. River and lake water is used in agriculture field and for drinking purposes. It contains germs, mud, clay, sand, dissolved salts and other suspended impurities. So it has to be purified to make it fit for consumption and domestic use. Sea and ocean water. The water from rivers ultimately flows into sea and ocean. Sea and oceans are the largest source of water on the earth. Sea water contains a large amount of dissolved salt, that is approximately 3.5% in it. Thus, sea water is called saline water and is salty to taste. The concentration of salt in sea water is called salinity of the sea. It is unfit for drinking and irrigation purposes. It has to be desalinated before making it suitable for the domestic use. Then come to use of the water. Most important is sustenance of life, then at home, then plants and animals. Sustenance and life means all living things on the earth depend on water for their survival and growth. Water is essential for digestion, assimilation, excretion in living things. It also required for absorption of nutrients by the body and circulating the dissolved food nutrients to every part of the body. It regulates our body temperature also. Then come to the at homes. At homes, we use water in different purposes for household activities, for cooking, drinking, bathing, flushing toilets, and washing clothes and utensils. Then come to how water is utilized by plants and animals. Plants use water for photosynthesis. Water also helps in germination and dispersal of seeds and fruits. A large quantity of water is used to irrigate crops. Water keeps the plant's temperature balanced by process of evaporation and transpiration. It also helps the plants in transportation of nutrients. Water provides habitat of large number of aquatic plants and animals. They take up dissolved nutrients and oxygen to survive. In industrial use, electricity, transportation, and recreation in industry, water is used as a raw material, coolant, transport agent, and source of energy. Water is used in the process of manufacturing and of automobiles, paints, plastic, chemicals, fertilizer, leather, cement, and fabrics. Electricity, as we know, hydroelectric power, and then transportation, people are transported by the different waterways, and recreation. Lakes, river, and streams are used for different water sports facilities such as boating, swimming, and water pool sinking. So these are all the different uses of water in different form. You can see this video in YouTube and you can subscribe this. So next class I will continue with this water chapter.